So you're thinking about downsizing because it'll save you money. Let me stop you right there. Yes, it can save you money eventually. But in the short term, it's more like spend money now so future you can thank you. Let's talk about the real costs of downsizing that no one warns you about, but absolutely should. First up, taxes. Selling your home might trigger capital gains taxes, especially if it's gone up in value over the years. And spoiler alert, even if your next home is smaller, the taxes on it might be higher thanks to today's crazy property values. You won't know until you look, and it's worth checking with a professional before you make the move. Next, repairs. Before you sell, you're probably going to need to freshen things up. Not because you care, but because buyers do. Paint, flooring, fixtures, it all adds up. You can skip the updates, but your offers might reflect that. Done well, repairs often pay you back at the closing table. Just don't forget to budget for them up front. Then there's the actual moving. Whether you're hiring pros or bribing your grandkids with pizza and root beer, you'll still spend money on boxes, storage containers, gas, and possibly a chiropractor after lifting that antique dresser. It adds up faster than you think, and it's one of the most underestimated costs of the whole process. Finally, your new expenses. Moving into a smaller or newer place doesn't always mean your bills go down. HOA fees, higher insurance, different tax brackets, they can sneak up on you, especially if you're crossing state lines or moving to a more managed community. One state that I moved to cost $1,600 just to register our 2 cars. Downsizing doesn't change your square footage, it shifts your whole financial picture. I'm not saying don't downsize, I'm saying don't walk in blind. When you know the real costs, you can plan smarter, breathe easier, and make choices that actually work for your life and your finances. Want help mapping it out? I've got tools, checklists, and plain English advice on how to walk you through it. No pressure, just real talk from someone who's done it before. A lot. Your next chapter should feel lighter, not more stressful. Let's make sure you land on your feet. I'm Jennifer Porco, and I have real solutions for real estate.